Guys, good morning. My name is Ameenah. If this is your first time of seeing me, I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, so today's video will be a vlog, Eid vlog to be precise. I wanted to just vlog today. It's going to be a mini vlog, just show you everything that went down today. And Eid Mubarak to my brothers and sisters, my Muslim brothers and sisters out there. May God spare our lives to do more and more and more and more of this on earth. May God take whatever we do today as an act of ibadah. Okay, so I just wanted to come out here and start this vlog, and I'll show you guys how the whole day went. I'll be showing you everything. Now I just want to go and take my shower and then do my makeup or something. I'll take you guys along with me, and I really hope you will enjoy this vlog. So see you all later. Bye. You're going to enter my vlog like that.
One eternity later.
So guys, this is our baker.
Hello.
And what should we call this?
She's a makeup artist. No, makeover.
But for today, they are cookers.
Mommy, your food. Why you?
This is my mommy. Ojoma run. I saw guys, I've been to my grandma's already, and they've already started cleaning the ram and everything. There's already a lot going on right now. So I came out with my mom and my little brother. See my brother, look at the way he's looking at himself. So we came out to just get some stuff that they'll be using to cook and all of that. And I'll be showing you guys my outfits of the day. I'll probably just upload a video or something, or a picture somewhere here for you guys to see. It's about to go.
Near you.
Ben, good evening. Yeah, it's late in the night already. I think it's about sorry, I'm checking my. It's around, I think, 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. If you are hearing any voice at the background, that's my sister making noise. I told her she's making noise already, but she now sang, so I still have to tell her again. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I thought it would be a mini vlog, so yeah, that's why it's a very short video. I don't know if it's too short for some people or it's too long for some people, but then it is a short vlog to me. So I hope you enjoyed it. That's how my whole day went. There were so many people around, my cousins, my cousin's friends. Like, there were a million of people in the house today, but I couldn't really film all of that because we were in the middle of a lot of things that I had to leave my phone somewhere so it's not get caught up in the moment. So for today I'll be rounding up this vlog right here. I still have stuff to do. I don't know if I should even make a video of that already. All these things behind me, I will make a video of this stuff behind me. There are souvenirs that came in today. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. There are stuff that came in from the palace today, a souvenir for my mom and grandma and everyone, so we are trying to just sort them out here now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.